Welcome to Beautyistic. We all know that getting kids to brush their teeth can sometimes be a challenge. But what if there was a fun, effective way to encourage them to brush properly? Today, we're taking a look at the Colgate Advanced Cavity Fighter Kids Battery Toothbrush, designed to make brushing easier for kids aged 6 and up. And if you're looking for a reliable tool to ensure your child gets that perfect clean, this might just be the toothbrush you've been waiting for. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review on the latest and greatest beauty tools and products. The Colgate Advanced Cavity Fighter Kids Toothbrush is a battery-powered toothbrush designed to help keep young teeth clean and healthy. It comes equipped with 2 brushing modes: everyday clean and gentle clean, which makes it versatile for children's different needs. Whether your child is just starting to get used to an electric toothbrush or needs a little extra help with plaque control, this toothbrush can offer that support. Plus, it comes with a built-in timer that helps ensure your child brushes for the recommended 2 minutes, important for healthy oral habits. There's also a 30-second quadrant pacer, which encourages your child to focus on each section of their mouth evenly. The brush features a small vibrating head with soft bristles, perfect for delicate gums and teeth. It's designed to help prevent cavities, plaque buildup, and bad breath, especially as your child begins to grow into their adult teeth. And the best part? This brush comes with an extra toothbrush head, so you've got a spare when it's time for a replacement. It runs on a single AA battery, which is included, so you're good to go as soon as it arrives. I've been testing this toothbrush with my child, and the first thing I noticed was how comfortable it is for them to hold. The handle is ergonomic and easy for little hands to grip. It also fits well in their mouth, allowing them to reach all areas of their teeth. The vibration feels gentle yet effective. Nothing too harsh, but just enough to clean well. One thing I really appreciate is the timer. My child used to get distracted and brush for a minute at best. With the built-in timer and quadrant pacer, it keeps them on track and makes brushing feel like less of a chore. One of the biggest pluses here is the 2 brushing modes. The gentle clean mode is great for younger kids or those with more sensitive teeth and gums, while the everyday clean mode provides that extra cleaning power to fight plaque and prevent cavities. I think it's a great feature that gives you options depending on your child's needs. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's lightweight, easy to use, and super practical with that built-in timer. It's also a good size for children, with a brush head that isn't too large for their mouths. I've also noticed that my child has started enjoying brushing more with this toothbrush, which is a big win in my book. The only downside? Since it's powered by a single AA battery, you'll need to replace it every now and then, which might be a hassle for some parents. But at least the battery is included, and it lasts a decent amount of time before needing to be swapped out. In terms of value, I think the Colgate Advanced Cavity Fighter Kids Toothbrush offers great bang for your buck. It provides a solid, effective cleaning experience with a timer and pacer, which is something you usually don't find in manual brushes. And with the included extra head and battery, it's a cost-effective choice for parents who want to ensure their kid good oral care habits early on. Now, if you're looking for other options in a similar price range, there are a few comparable electric toothbrushes for kids out there. Some brands offer slightly more features like Bluetooth connectivity or apps that track brushing habits, but for the price and functionality, the Colgate Advanced Cavity Fighter holds its ground well. As for durability, I've been using it daily for a few weeks now, and it's holding up fine. The battery life is solid, and the toothbrush doesn't show any signs of wear, despite the constant use. If you're wondering if this is the right toothbrush for your child, I'd say it's a great option for kids who are just starting with electric toothbrushes. It's simple, effective, and provides the essential features needed to maintain good oral hygiene. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've tried this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out.